Bollywood actor Karishma Kapoor's children, Samaira and Kiaan, have taken their fight to the Delhi High Court over their late father Sunjay Kapur's 30,000 crore rupee estate. The case has turned combative in court as Sanjay's widow Priya Kapur has pushed back against the stepchildren's claims. Her lawyer has argued firmly, saying, "I was his last lawfully wedded wife," and dismissed the suit as not maintainable. For more on this, let me quickly go across to my colleague and NDTV's Nupur Dogra to what exactly happened in the High Court today.
First of all, Karishma Kapoor's two children, Samaira Kapur and Kiaan Kapur, have moved the Delhi High Court claiming that the personal assets left behind by Sunjay Kapur in a will that has been forged. Now they claim that the will, which deals with only the personal assets of Sunjay Kapur, was forged by Priya Kapur, and they have been wrongfully excluded from the same. Remember, the assets under the personal will is different from the assets they will be inheriting from the R.K. Kapoor Trust, which is separate from the personal assets of Sunjay Kapur.
Meanwhile, Priya Kapur has issued a statement stressing that Sanjay's children had already received a beneficial interest of over 1,900 crore rupees through a family trust. She added that she has been fully cooperating to secure and facilitate their share. Let me quickly go back to my colleague Vishwanath for more on this. Vishwanath, take us through exactly what the statement said.
So according to a statement that was issued by Priya Kapoor Sachdeva, there's been a case that is going on, of course, where Karishma Kapoor and Sanjay Kapoor's children have gone ahead and raised issue with the way that the will has been executed after Sanjay Kapoor's death. And the statement says that these children were asked to sign a non-disclosure agreement before they were given access to the will, which they have refused. And that is something that the court has also noted, and the court has directed these children to sign the required NDA. Alongside that, what they've said is that 5 days before the will was executed, or this case was filed by Sunjay Kapur and Karishma Kapoor's children at the Delhi High Court, 5 days before that, it was clarified that these children would get about 1,900 crore worth of assets which belong to Sunjay Kapoor's trust. That is part of the will.
And to put this in perspective, let me show you now the Sunjay Kapur family tree, now at the center of a 30,000 crore inheritance dispute. Sunjay Kapur, born in 1971, was the son of Sona Group founder Dr. Surinder Kapur and Rani Kapur. Now, he had two sisters, Suparna and Mandira. Sanjay then married actress and model Nandita Mehtani in 2002, divorcing soon after. In 2003, he wed actor Karishma Kapoor, with whom he had two children, Samaira in 2005 and Kiaan in 2010. They divorced in 2016. Sanjay's third marriage to Priya Sachdev in 2017 brought son Azarias and stepdaughter Safira. Now, following Sanjay's death in June 2025, his estate has sparked a legal battle. Samaira and Kiaan, represented by their mother Karishma, claim Priya has withheld a will seeking their share as legal heirs. Now, his mother Rani Kapur also contests her exclusion, while Priya defends her position as executor. Right now, and to get more information on this, I'm now joined by Sanjay Ashar, Senior Partner, Crawford Bailey. Good evening and welcome to NDTV Profit. Given the serious allegations of forgery and concealment of the original will in the Sanjay Kapur estate dispute, what legal precedents and safeguards under the Indian inheritance law could be most crucial in ensuring a fair and transparent resolution for all of the parties involved?
I would say that in order to not run after lawyers and have an amicable settlement, especially in the family dispute, all the parties should sit down and somehow find a way out on it. That is number one. Number two, if there is no way out, or if the parties cannot agree on any settlement proposition, in which event, as far as Priya is concerned, she will have to prove the will. She will have to have the entire process to get the probate done, so on and so forth. Number three, as far as her mother-in-law is concerned, I understand she's asked for partition of the assets. So that again, we will see as to what happens in that particular suit as well. And I believe that today in the Delhi High Court hearing, the suit has been admitted, and obviously a lease pendant notice would be issued. So in which event, obviously, in case Priya Sachdev wants to sell anything, the buyer will be on notice to say that, look, there is a dispute, there is a lawsuit which is pending, and if at all you are buying anything, it would be subject to the lawsuit which is pending. So it becomes very complicated now in terms of the suit being admitted today before the Delhi High Court.
So given the ongoing disputes in this entire inheritance case, I think now I want to zoom out of the case and ask, how critical is having a clear, updated will or succession plan in preventing these kind of protracted legal battles? What key lessons should not just wealthy individuals, all individuals learn from cases like this about estate planning in India?
Yes, in which event the best estate planning, in case of Sunjay Kapur, it was unfortunate that there was a premature death in that sense. But otherwise, whatever you want to give away in inheritance, it is better that you gift it during your lifetime. Because otherwise, you are keeping behind a huge amount of battle, huge amount of unharmonious relationship between the family members. So number one, I would suggest that give it away during your lifetime. Number two, if you don't want to give it away during your lifetime, and of course there are certain bells and braces to be tied up in case you want to gift it during your lifetime. In case you don't want to give it during your lifetime, then one of course mechanism is that you create a trust and you become the primary beneficiary, okay? And you are giving it away during your lifetime and not after your death. There is a difference between a trust which operates after the death pursuant to some bequests in the will, and something where you are already gifting away everything during the course of your lifetime. So there is a stark difference, legal difference in that.
Okay. All right. Extremely insightful, Sanjay Ashar. Thank you so much for that. We'll continue tracking this case as it comes up again in the Delhi High Court.